Good day everyone, we are here to present what can we do to save Mother Earth. Before that, I'm Hannah Jane Man Lincoln and my team Luis Joel Damian, Liza May Flores, Kayla Malikdam, and Dalia Okal. Our presentation is about the simple steps we can take to improve our environment. But first, here's our objectives. First is identify and promote sustainable solutions. And the second is explain the importance of Mother Earth. We can save Mother Earth by having a discipline to ourselves and by doing something like conserve water daily, use clean energy, protect wildlife, spread awareness, reduce carbon, reuse, recycle, avoid plastic use, educate others, and act now. Let's talk about something important. Saving our planet. We all know the Earth is facing some various challenges, like climate change and pollution. But the good news is we can make a difference. It's about making small changes in daily lives, like using less energy, choosing sustainable products, and supporting organizations that are working to protect the environment. Together, we can make a real difference for a healthier planet. Let's proceed to conserve water daily.
Conserving water and using clean energy are both essential for protecting the environment and ensuring sustainable resources for future generations. First is conserving water. Means using water wisely to prevent waste and ensure there is enough for future generations. Water is essential for life, but it is a limited resource. Even though about 71% of the earth is covered in water, only 3% is fresh water, and much of it is inaccessible, locked in glaciers and ice caps. By making simple changes, we can help conserve water and protect the environment. If we do not conserve water, we could face severe shortage in the future. Countries that experience frequent droughts like Australia and parts of Africa already struggle with water scarcity. Simple daily actions combined with large-scale policies can help ensure a sustainable water supply for future generations. And the second slide is the using clean energy. Clean energy comes from renewable resources like the sun, wind, and water, which don't produce harmful emotions or deplete natural resources. Using clean energy helps reduce pollutions and climate change. Benefits of using clean energy reduce air pollution and improves health, lowers carbon footprint and fights climate change, conserving natural resources for future generations, create jobs and renewable energy industries, saves money in the long run, solar and wind energy lower electricity bills. This is the two topics under the sustainability and environment conservation. Conserving water and using clean energy help protect to prevent environment and save resources. To conserve water, turn off taps, fix leaks, use efficient appliances and limit unnecessary use. To support clean energy, use solar power, energy efficient appliance and reduce electricity consumption. These actions reduce waste, lower costs, and promote sustainability. That's all. Now we proceed to protect wildlife. Protect wildlife is essential for the health of our planet and well-being of all living things. Protecting wildlife is just not about saving individual species. It's about safeguarding the intricate web of life that sustain us all. By addressing the underlying threats and implementing effective conservation strategies, we can contribute to a healthier planet to both wildlife and future generation. This requires collection action from government, organization, communities, and individuals. Each of us has a role to play in ensuring future where wildlife treats. Another explanation of protecting wildlife. Protecting wildlife is essential for maintaining biodiversity, which supports ecosystem, climate regulations, and human well-being. However, traits like habitat destruction, pollution, climate change, and illegal wildlife trade put species in at risk. Key conservation strategies include creating protected areas, enforcing environment laws, promoting sustainable practices, and involving communities and conservation efforts. Individuals can help by reducing waste, supporting ethical products, volunteering, and spreading awareness. By taking collective action, we can restore ecosystems, protect species, and ensure a sustainable future for both wildlife and humans. Now, we will proceed in topic spend awareness. Saving Mother Earth requires a collective effort, spreading awareness about climate change and its impact in crucial, but it's all equally important to take an action. Spreading awareness about climate change and environmental issue is a vital step in protecting our planet. By educating ourselves and others, we can empower to take an action to create a more sustainable future for all. And now we proceed in reducing our carbon footprint. By reducing our carbon footprint through sustainable practice, advocating for change, and also supporting responsibilities of policies, we can create a more sustainable future for ourselves and generation to come. Our planet faces a multitude of environmental change, but one of the most pressing is climate change. Reducing our carbon footprint is crucial to mitigating this crisis, and spreading awareness is key to driving change. Effective environmental action given to understanding the problem and its constituency. Spreading awareness about climate change and its impact can empower individuals and communities to take an action. This is example to remodicate that reducing our carbon footprint and spreading awareness about climate change are not immobility tasks by taking a small everybody action. We can contributely make a significant difference in protecting our planet for future generations. Let's work together to protect our planet and ensure the healthy environment for all, and also to create a more sustainable for future at all. And that is for spreading awareness and reducing carbon footprint.
Planting trees. Planting more trees is essential for saving Mother Earth because trees help combat climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide, improve air quality, support biodiversity, prevent soil erosion, regulate the water cycle, and provide resources like food. Additionally, they offer health benefits by creating cleaner, greener spaces. Overall, trees play a crucial role in maintaining environmental balance and supporting life on Earth.
Let's talk about tree, reduce, reuse, and recycle. The three R's is a big help to minimize waste and protect the environment. Reduce by bringing your own reusable shopping bag instead of using plastic bags. If you have any alternative bag, you can use it to reduce a plastic use.
Reuse. Reuse recycled materials like plastic bottles or clothes. For example, by using plastic bottles, we can make a planter, pencil organizer, and more. Recycle. Collecting up plastic bottles and sending them to our recycling facilities, they will process it, turn into a new plastic products. Doing it can help our environment to gain less plastic materials and prevent blockage of road drains. Now let's proceed to avoid plastic use. Avoiding plastic use can use to help and protect the environment, wildlife, and human health. We can avoid plastic use by using alternative things. For example, instead of using plastic bags, plastic bottles, and plastic container, we better use paper bag, tumbler, or any alternative things to avoid plastic use.
Act now. Climate change, pollution, deforestation, and biodiversity loss are threatening the planet and our future. Every small action counts. Reducing waste, conserving water, planting trees, and using clean energy can make a difference. Government, businesses, and individuals must work together to protect nature and promote sustainability. If we can act now, we can preserve the earth for future generations. Next is educate others. We can help our Mother Earth by educating others, people how to use, how to respect, or how we can be respectful to our environment. We can teach them to have a good manners and teach the use of recyclable tools. We can use plastic bottles as planter, not to dispose. In that way, we can have less problem from way blockage.
So everyone, saving Mother Earth isn't about grand gestures, it's about the small daily choices we make. It's about mindful consumption, responsible living, and a deep connection with a natural world. Let's reflect on our impact, embrace sustainable practices, and find joy on contributing to a healthier planet, one conscious choice at a time. Our actions today will shape the world of tomorrow. So that's all. Thank you for listening.